Hello student, this video lecture will describe the topics from average speed to the equations of motions. First of all, I am going to discuss about the average speed. The average speed of a body having non-uniform motion is defined as the ratio of the total distance traveled by the body to the total time taken. Therefore, average speed is equal to total distance by total time taken. If a body covers two equal distances with different speeds v1 and v2, then total distance is equal to s plus s2s. Total time taken to cover distance AB, T1 is equal to S by V1. Time taken to cover distance BC, T2 is equal to S by V2. Now total time taken T1 plus T2, S by V1 plus S by V2. Therefore average speed is equal to total distance by total time taken. Now 2S is equal to S by V1 plus S by V2. Take S common here. Then 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2. These 2S will be cancelled. Therefore, taking V1, V2 LCM, we will get 2 by V2 plus V1 divided by V1 into V2. Now, finally, it will be equal to 2 V1 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. Therefore, average speed is equal to 2 V1 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. Now, average velocity. The average velocity of a body during non-uniform motion is defined as the ratio of the net displacement covered to the total time taken. Therefore, average velocity is equal to net displacement by total time taken. The average velocity of a body during uniform motion is defined as the arithmetic mean of initial and final velocity of the body. Therefore, average velocity is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity by 2, or V average is equal to U plus B by 2. Now, one question based on the average speed. Abdul, while driving to a school, computes the average speed for his trip to be 30 km per hour. On his return trip along the same route, the average speed is 20 km per hour. What is the average speed of the Abdul trip? Let D be the distance between Abdul trips to his school. Time taken to reach the school, that is equal to D by 30. Time taken to return to the home, that is equal to D by 20. Now total time taken, that is equal to T1 plus T2, D by 30 plus D by 20, and this is equal to, take LCM of 30 and 20, it will be 60. Now 2D plus 3D, that will is equal to 5D by 60. Now that is equal to D by 12. Total distance is equal to D plus D 2D. Average speed of the Abdul trips is equal to 2D by D by 12, that is equal to 24 km per hour. Now second questions based on average speed is, a car moves through 20 km per hour at a speed of 40 km per hour, and the next 20 km per hour at a speed of 60 km per hour. Calculate the average speed. Now average speed is equal to total distance by total time. This is equal to S1 plus S2 divided by S1 V1 plus S2 V2. Here S1 and S2 are 20 km, and now is 20 by 40 plus 20 by 60. It will come 40 by 1 by 2 hour plus 1 by 3 hour. This is 40 divided by 3 plus 2 by 6. 240 by 5, now finally equal to the 48 kilometer per hour. Now uniform speed. So the speed of a body is said to be uniform if it covers equal distance in equal interval of time. As for example, light travels in a medium with constant speed or uniform speed. Its constant speed in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. The distance time graph for uniform speed is a straight line. This is the a straight line, and this is a distance time graph for uniform speed, and the slope of the distance time graph that will give the speed of the body. Here speed is equal to 10 by 2, 20 by 4, 30 by 6, it is equal to 5 meter per second. So 5 meter per second is the uniform speed of the body, and for uniform speed body covers equal distance in the equal intervals of the times. Now non-uniform speed. So the speed of a body is said to be non-uniform if it covers unequal distances in equal interval of time. As for example, the speed of vehicles on a crowded road is non-uniform or variable speed. The distance time graph of non-uniform speed is a curved line, and here the non-uniform speed between 2 to 4 second is equal to AB by BC, that is equal to 18 minus 10 divided by 4 minus 2, it is equal to 8 by 2, that is equal to 4 meter per second. Now instantaneous speed. So the speed of an object at any instant during its motion or at any instant of its path is called instantaneous speed. It is equal to the limiting value of the average speed, or it can be expressed as a limiting value of the average speed, or this is equal to dx by dt in calculus forms. So this is it means that the differentiation of displacement with respect to the times. So this is the instantaneous speed of the vehicles. Now a speedometer measures the instantaneous speed of the vehicles. Again, I am going to discuss about acceleration. So the change in velocity per unit time is called the acceleration of the body. It is also defined as the rate of change of velocity of the body. Therefore, acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time, or A is equal to B minus U by T. So it is a vector quantity, and its SI unit is meter per second square, or ms minus 2. Now uniform speed. So if the velocity of an object changes by an equal amount in equal intervals of time, then the accelerations of the object is known as the uniform accelerations. The motions of an object having uniform acceleration is known as uniformly accelerated motions. As for examples, the motions of an object falling freely from the certain height, the motions of a ball rolling down an inclined smooth plane, that is the uniformly accelerated body, and the motions of a body moving with constant speed on a circular path having accelerated body, because a speed of the body on circular path remains constant but velocity changes due to change in direction at all point of its path. So such type of motion is known as accelerated motion. Now non-uniformly acceleration.